Hello. If you're out there in your 20s or your 30s, or you are about starting all over, not knowing where to start from, this message is for you. I may not know the exact point where you are, but one thing I do know is that it is possible for you to build wealth from nothing. I am talking to you from experience because I started out as a waiter when I finished my youth service without any background, without anything. I started out, and today I thank God for the choices and the steps I took at that particular time in my life. The story is not about me, but about you who is starting out. Will you be able to pick one or two things from this story and be able to build your own journey that at the end of the day, this video must have made impact on your life and then help you to achieve your own dream at the end of the day? In 2003, I took up a job as a waiter in one of the 5-star hotels in Abuja. Honestly, I took up that job because hunger was about to knock me out. But that humble beginning marked my journey to financial freedom. And today, when I look back to where I am coming from and where I am today, it is a testimony to me as a person and a proof that actually you can start from nothing to build wealth and live the type of life you want to live. Live the life of your dream. What is that is stopping you from starting? Where are you? I may not know the exact point where you are now, but one thing I know is that it is possible for you to start from the scratch and build wealth and live the life of your dream. Your own story starts now, so that tomorrow you will be able to look back where you are coming from and look where and what you have attained, and then thank God and use it to encourage others. At this time and age, there are numerous opportunities out there you can leverage on and build wealth for yourself and live the type of life you want to live. Everything we do in life is all about choices. I tell people that wealth building is choice. Poverty is choice. It is left for you to choose the one you want. It all boils down to your determination. Are you ready to go out there and do what you are supposed to do? Simple steps on daily basis. Simple steps on daily basis will take you to your destination at the end of the day. You can start something. And this is one of the things you can start. You can start a side hustle. When I was still a waiter, I started a phone booth business. And that was the business that was running at that time. At this time, you can start other businesses that are out there. You can start a POS business. In fact, that is one of the lucrative business that people don't know. I know somebody who is into this business, and that person is already making a lot without people knowing. Start a POS business. With 100,000, you can start. If you are a trusted person, people who sell around your area, people who do businesses around your area, you can go there, collect their money, and then pay it in for them while you have already used it to do business, because people come to collect cash. From the money you collected from these business people, you give them cash and make transfer to them, and at the end of the day, the profit is yours. You can start a laundry business. You can start an online, in fact, online, Internet of Things. This is where massive opportunities are. If you are ready to pay attention and be able to take the little skills that will help you leverage on this particular area, you can make a lot of wealth using online. You can start with developing your digital skills. There is a lot happening in the online space, and you need to leverage on it. In fact, if you are out there and you are not taking advantage of the opportunities that are bound in online space, then you are making a grievous mistake. You can start getting up to 6 figures in this area if you know how to do it. Artificial intelligence are making millions for people, and you need to leverage on it. In my next video, I will also be explaining how you can leverage on this opportunity of artificial intelligence and build wealth for yourself. But one thing is very, very important. Online space is a place to be. There is a lot happening there. So position yourself very well and then make money from the online space. If you are alive at this time and age, with what is happening, it is a revolution because artificial intelligence is already taking over. There are so much you can achieve with artificial intelligence. Don't make the mistake of ignoring it because you are ignoring it at your own detriment. So that is one of the areas you can start and build wealth. Another area you can go into is mini importation. You can start mini importation of products like fashion accessories, home accessories, gadgets, and the likes. You can do that from companies like from countries like China. So you start this mini importation with as low as 50 to 100,000 you can start. So you begin to import these products small, and then sell them locally. And before you know it, you are building wealth for yourself. That is how to create wealth. That with time, you now begin to scale it. You begin to scale the business because you started small. That does not mean that you should remain small. The more your business progresses, the more you scale it, the more you take it to higher level, the more you now begin to delve into things that will help you to build wealth. Wealth building is all about creating systems. Wealth building is all about creating systems. Systems is what will help you to multiply, grow your money, and build wealth. So as you make money from these businesses, you now begin to create systems that will help you to build wealth. When I look back to where I am coming from and where I am today, I only but thank God for the choices I have made. It is your own time to begin to make your own choices. What are your choices? What are the things you need to do right now so that in your later years, you will begin to thank yourself for taking those steps? That is what we are talking about. Your own journey starts now. So don't waste time. Don't wait. Don't keep procrastinating. Don't keep putting it away. Don't wait until all things are ready. With the little you have now, you can start. Don't wait for everything to get okay because there will never be a time that everything will be okay. Your initiative is very, very important for you to begin to build wealth for yourself and your generation. In my subsequent video, we'll also be learning how to leverage on artificial intelligence to build wealth. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share the video to your friends. Let's learn and build wealth together. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for stopping by.